I think it's actually the most important race that voters are voting for, because the trial court in Washtenaw County, circuit and probate, is really no pun intended, is really the people's court. I think that the everyday struggles that people have, whether it's in real estate or family law or business, those all happen in the circuit court, in the probate court, in the trial court. And so the election of a judge couldn't be more important. I think it comes down to what judge is likely to be most responsive to the needs of the people of the county.
Well, this circuit court seat has been designated to predominantly hear family law cases. Those cases touch everyone. They involve custody, divorce, paternity, personal protection orders. I think all of us in our lives have known someone or ourselves have had to deal with a divorce or other family law cases. So it's very important how a judge will handle those cases. A judge can really encourage, for example, cooperative methods of resolving cases, and that can make a significant difference for the lives of children and families. A judge can protect victims of domestic violence in a way that when they come to the courtroom, they can feel heard and respected and not threatened. And a judge can be very innovative to help families in the county, to provide resources, to provide guidance. Of course, the judge will have to make decisions, and the way the judge's empathy and understanding of the dynamics and of family law cases can be very significant in how those decisions are made.
This race is very important. A judge is the person that's most likely to touch you in a period of crisis. So who is making those decisions is very important on a case-by-case basis to decide whether someone should be hospitalized against their will, to decide where a child should live. Those are decisions that affect families and are very important. It may not get big press publicity-wise, your decisions, but for each individual that comes before the court, a judge has a tremendous effect on that family. So it's very important that people become educated, learn about the candidates, because when you come to court, you want the best person making the decision for your family.
This race is important because the probate court is more likely to directly touch the life of yourself, a friend, a neighbor, or someone that you love more than any other elected official. A judge in this court is more likely to touch your life than any other elected official in this county. We all know someone who has gotten divorced. We almost all know someone who has had an aging parent who maybe had had declining cognitive capacity. We all know someone who has a will, trust, or estate and maybe had family members fighting over money. These questions are the questions that are decided by the next probate court judge. And so it's really important that the public choose who they want to make those very sensitive and important decisions for their friends, neighbors, and family.